I've been interested in filmmaking since I was little. I was a shy kid. I didn't have confidence in anything, but just stepping in front of a camera and seeing what I can do really helped me come out of my shell. Western New England seemed like the perfect fit. I've never held a camera before coming here. I've never been on camera before coming here. It's really changed my life, really. I am now the president of GBTV, which is Golden Bear Television, which is a student broadcasting club on campus where we teach students how to run a camera, edit, lighting, everything you need to be in the broadcast major. My communication professors are my role models because they have brought opportunities to me and have brought me to where I am today. I work at Channel 22 News as a digital producer while full-time as a college student, so it's pretty amazing to have that experience already. Getting hands-on experience is, for me, more important than what you learn in a textbook. It's how you learn. Just by holding a camera, you can really tell a story, and that's what I love about filmmaking. That's what drives me, is I want to tell people stories. Western New England has helped me take the right steps towards my dream job, which is filmmaking, and I am so excited to do that in the future.